I always wanted an oscilloscope for my little needs. Long time I was thinking which one to buy. The market those days has a lot of varieties, from good, well-known brands to very cheap. It could be stationary or USB. I picked a USB. It will be more universal for my jobs, from cars to different electronics over the house. So my final decision was to buy from Hantek on AliExpress. They have official shop there. I paid €235 including shipping. I've checked reviews on different forums all over the world, and not just English speaking. It's a very decent oscilloscope. I hope it will cover my needs. The package looks very well done. This is only an unpacking video, so you can see what you get if you buy. I actually use it for a while now, and it's doing good so far. The editing of this video is done well after receiving the package. Not many videos on YouTube of this type of oscilloscope. I hope it will help someone.